Continuing our unit on symmetry, we're going to talk about another transformation called a translation. Translation is just moving an object some direction and some distance. You have to be told how far and in what direction. A vector is going to tell you that. These are three vectors, v1, v2, and v3. v2 says move the object down 3 spaces. So if I were to use v2 to translate my object, I would move it A down 3 spaces to get A prime. I would move C down 3 spaces to get C prime, and D and B also to get those. Using V1, I can line this vector up here, and it tells me that D prime is going to land right there. And I can drag my vector around to find out that C prime will be right here. Well, it's going to be very difficult for you to drag a vector around on a piece of paper. But what you can do is realize that this vector goes down 2 and over 5. So down 2 and over 5. So for point B, I will go down 2 and over 5. And this is where B prime will end up. And if I do the same thing, A prime would end up there. I connect my vertices to find out where my translated trapezoid will be. Sometimes you need, sometimes you're given 2 points. You're given a original point D, and then in this instance they're going to tell you where D prime is, but they don't tell you the vector. You have to figure out the vector. Well, you can see that if you go down 4 and over 1, that's going to be your vector. Okay, so the desired vector is down 4 over 1. So when we make a copy of our trapezoid, we're going to move the whole thing, all the points, down 4 and over 1. And there's our copied, our translated picture.